Take a look at this Instagram account. It has gained over 18,000 followers, and many of its videos have crossed millions of views. And what are they uploading? Just rust cleaning transformation videos. Old, rusty, damaged objects turning into shiny new metal. Today, I'll show you how to create these viral rust cleaning videos using AI. And you won't need multiple tools. I've created a master prompt for you so everything becomes simple. First, open the prompt link provided in the description. Copy the entire master prompt. Now open ChatGPT and paste it there. It will instantly generate 10 rusted object ideas for you. For this example, we'll choose a hammer. I'll simply type 7. Now ChatGPT provides us with an image prompt and a matching video prompt. Next, head over to Flow AI. Choose Create Image. Select the image model Nano Banana Pro. Choose your aspect ratio and number of outputs. Now copy the image prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. Hit Generate. Within seconds, you'll get multiple rusty hammer images. Choose the one that looks the most damaged. The more extreme, the better. Download it. Now it's time for the transformation. Go to Frames to Video in Flow AI. Upload the rusty hammer image as frame 1. Copy the video prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. Hit Generate and watch what happens. Within seconds, your rusty hammer transforms into a clean, polished metal tool. Save the video. If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe to Revron for more AI tutorials. And comment below which AI niche I should cover next.